Ever wondered if the music-making AI, Fulltrack, is secretly mining your data or about to turn your hard drive into a digital wasteland? Let's find out. First, head to the Fulltrack AI website. We're going to dissect their privacy policy, so scroll all the way down to the footer and find the privacy policy link. Click on it. Now, the fun begins. Look for sections about data collection, specifically what information Fulltrack gathers from you. Pay close attention to details about your audio files, personal information, and browsing activity. Next, examine how Fulltrack uses your data. Is it solely for improving the AI's algorithms, or are they sharing it with third-party advertisers? Look for keywords like data sharing, third-party partners, and advertising. Scrutinize the security measures Fulltrack has in place to protect your data. Look for mention of encryption, data anonymization, and access control measures. A robust security section inspires confidence. Finally, don't just rely on their word. Head to online forums, Reddit, or Trustpilot and research what other users are saying about their experiences with Fulltrack AI. Look for any red flags regarding data breaches or privacy concerns. Consider both positive and negative reviews. Ultimately, determining Fulltrack AI as safety requires careful evaluation. Analyze their privacy policy, assess security measures, and research user feedback. Only then can you make an informed decision.